Hello everybody, this is Shriek and today I'm gonna talk about how to create HTML comments or what are the HTML comments. So before that, we need to create a folder which is named as HTML comments. Okay, fabulous. Let's open that like this, and this. Okay. So our folder is open. Okay. As you can see, there is nothing here. Okay. So we need a file like html comments.html. Okay, our let's paste our code in of previous lesson. Like here, you can you can see now what I'm typing now. Okay, so what I want to share that let's create a live server also. Okay, this is my website, but I cannot reiterate or I cannot understand where my things are, where is anything, or if I write something at here which is not in any tag but still it visible on a website. Why? I just want to write a code which I understand, but some part is still visible when there is no tag because they are part of body tag. And here you should not you should write a comments or HTML comments. It is a section which is not rendered by any browser or visible by any browser. It it is sent to them but it is not visible to them. Okay. So for that we need lower than exclamatory mark or upside down I then hyphen then your comments. Okay, it is out of it. No problem. Okay, if it is not auto filled then hyphen and greater than. Okay, so this is how you can write your comments. Anything written here is not rendered by a browser. Let's make see, this is how you can write a comment. Okay, there are too many other ways of also you can create comments, but in this VS Code it is very different. Okay, if I write comments, see, this is not visible and our server is still running, but there is no visibility of my comments. So for that you just need to go to any other task like here, and you do Ctrl K or Ctrl C. Okay, this is shortcut for creating a comments. Like here, I can write anything like this is my comment or my comments. Just that. I'm still learning some shortcuts here, so I'm accidentally creating or selecting a non comments or not non shortcuts. Okay. After that we need to add something else. Like this is my second heading. Let's change our color theme to anything else. Like this. This is best. This is this is how you can write a comment or write out a comment in a better way. And this is not necessary. You can write only a single line comment. You can also write a multi-line comment like this if we want to change this part. Okay, see, there are multi-lines and all of them are commented out and they are not rendered as the HTML tag also. Okay, and also we cannot nest them. Nesting them will like ignore them like this. Even if I write a comment out here, it will be rendered by browser, but sometimes it can give a error to our website or server or any other devices. So just ignore or neglect the nesting of comments. Just create a new comment if there are nesting is needed. Okay. Okay, this is how you can create your comments. Like but some people just like extend it. This is my heading and it is very important. Blah, blah, blah. Just try. It will work. It is describing the things, anything also, but it should it should be simple, small, and easily readable by anyone. You, your your friend, your developer friend, or a developer which is going on your job after you. Okay, like you should write one line comment. Okay, or small comments like this. It makes your code look fabulous. Your code becomes very greater to read, write, and everything. Everything you read here is better than the best. Okay, just try to add something like that. Okay. After that, we just need to create. There is also one more use of this tab, like to-do list. You can create a to-do list in which you can type out all the uses of your or remaining work for your web pages, like creating a creating a footer, creating a heading, creating a logo, or adding images, adding videos, anything else which makes our website look fabulous. Is can be part of to-do list, and and that can make you not forget what is needed. Like here, I can try here make headings. Okay, this is how you can make a heading. Or if you done that, just like equal to or any other symbol at here, or just delete that part. A whole line you should delete if it is compound. Okay. After that, we need something else, like add images, add videos, like this. This type of to-do list is better and professional for your work, and anything else like related to comments. Let's relate it. So this is how you can create a comments. Okay. So here I can write anything else, like whatever I want, like adding a footer or adding a backspace or anything else. So let's delete it. But before that, I think we need something else. Just delete it, no problem. Okay. So let's create a meaningful headings. What are the meaningful headings? Like this. Like this. This is a heading or website heading. Like that. And here my cool paragraph. But I. Okay. So this is my cool paragraph. After that, we can go at here and okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. This part, Control K and Control C. All of the text is into the comments. This is my second idea. Okay. This is how you can create your comments. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like it, and dislike it if you dislike it. Share your thoughts. How should I improve myself? Thank you. Bye bye. Tata.